All right, guys. October. No. Oh, it's not October anymore. It's November 2nd. Okay. Anyway, I've been lazy for the last couple of days. Today finally got some action done, and so this one, first one I want to talk about is well, I did a couple first trade was on Grvy, but I want to mainly talk about the VRX one. So this one was really big today. Well, it was big yesterday because yesterday they got a news from one of the Japanese pharmacy medical company wanna buy. It's like they had a PR was saying they were talking about buyout or something. So anyway, so the if you look yesterday's chart, VRX jumped like freaking 30% in a couple of minutes. So um, it was so a lot of people went in. The value was crazy, and they think this thing is gonna jump. They push the stock higher to pre-market as high as 2430. So anyway, one I think Paul mentioned in the chat. So I took a look at the news and stuff like that, and again, to me, this thing is BS. Okay, I'll be honest with you. This kind of PR is always BS to me. As long as nothing is really written, nothing is done. Okay. Especially 30% range. That is awesome. That's all I care about. It. And VRX has been hot for it's been a hot trading vehicle for so long. If you guys been follow this stock, anyway, uh, yeah, that's the game plan. I'm just game plan to short this thing along the way. Um, but unfortunately, I didn't get the first part and from 8:30 the first action, the first downtrend. Um, the video clip I'm gonna show you is the one it's already bottoming and they peaking up again. Well, they bouncing again toward the VRAP. I was trying to get some reshort on it, smaller size. So yeah, this GRVY was also a kind of a pump. Um, I was trying to use that 12 level and to short it, and this one I'm probably gonna hold over, swim short overnight. Not too much. It's just a 3K position. I was planning to get 5K, but the price action didn't. It hit 12, but it was kind of fading and well, I didn't get the full size I want. So yep, you guys can watch here a little bit. And I guess I'll just fast forward to VRX. All right. Now it's back in VRX. So the stock kind of peaked out around 22.35. It tested a couple times. If you look, the candle is already get every time it touched 22.35, it get pull back. Then yeah, I start scouting smaller size because the first move, kind of first momentum's over. At this point, it's pretty obvious. Downtrending start, then it start bouncing back toward this 22.35, 22.40 level. Stock's trying to take a break, and yeah, just go from there. Any pop back to 22.20 and 22.30, I will, add more size. Basically, just use the low of the day as a target, which is 21.90. To be honest with you, this thing, I didn't thought this thing could go down that much by end of the day, and it actually did. Later on, you will see by 3:30, by the closing bell, this thing went down huge. The all day move was like a 10, more than 10%. Okay, so from this point, you can see the pattern just very obvious. Made a lower high, lower high, lower high, and until this 22.05 level. Once the support can hold, the volume will peak out. Then the stock just gonna wash out very quickly. Then I start trying to see, bang. At this point, I'm trying to cover at least half of it. Wow, I only have like 1,500 shares, not much, so could have more, but that is how the trading game is. Yep, cover some at 21.90 and just give a little bit patient Cause this washout is very heavy selling. Cause it kind of telling me that this thing could go farther. But yep. I think right after I took the whole position off, it start dropping more again. So basically, this ticker today just every single pop back to the I would say MA level or VREP level is a great short, like a reshort opportunity. You will see what I'm talking about in the later tape. All right. Right here, the price popped back to the 22 level. Once I saw it, I was trying to reshort some again. Well, I was a little bit late, I would say. Well, not really late. It just I was hoping for this thing to pop back to a 22 level, but it didn't get it. Um, see, my problem is I always want a better price. I like the price hit my target, then immediately reverse, going into my position right away. That's how I like it. Cause well, timing is everything for day trading, especially the way how I trade. See, I just give some try 2202. Usually this kind of thing will pop again and then fade off back to the low of the day, but it just didn't get it. So that happens. Anyway, it's all good. Now you guys, I'll fast forward. You can watch the rest of the action. All right, so let's wrap it up. So this the VRX on Dash Trader. You can see as my first two um in trade this morning, 2320 and 2310, cover at 2220 and 2221 85, and was a really good try. Once the first trade is done, I mean I'm up pretty good amount, so from that point on, psychologically you just feel so relaxed and confident because you have nothing to lose anymore. Um, so you start based on that risk level, just keep doing what you do, and short every pop. That's how I did it. And the second one is I did on Thinkorswim account. Because I was looking at this one. The stock actually popped back up a couple times. This one is just through the whole day. This price action is just very weak. So I just determined to short them. Well, short the hell out of them. Every pop, every opportunity representing in front of you. So let's take a look at the second chart. Yeah, and when it popped back the previous resistance, if you look at it, it's the 2210 level, and almost reached the VRAP area, just 20. Then I scale in 2209. Remember, this ticker is upticking right now. Uptick, which is SSR, short sale restriction. That's why you have to short from the offer. Okay, you have to wait the price to come to took your offer. You cannot just hit the bid. Okay, just in case you guys don't know about this. Yep, as I said, every pop I would short the hell out of them. So at 11, well, 145, I think they had a major news. The ES the SPY start peaking and start surging up. Then this thing just fall. All the stocks start following, and this thing just start, shooting up again. I took advantage. Pretty decent size. Got the fill around average 21.95, and then scale. Once the selling is all finished, then the stock just fade all the way back. If you continuously look the whole day 1 minute chart, you will see the stock fade all the way back to the 2110 level. So that's like a 4% move in matter of 10 minutes. So anyway, I hope you guys like the video, and hope all these little things can help you learn something new along the way. If you have any question, hit me up and leave a comment or stuff like that. All right, thanks for watching.